The fight of the Bobos. Sweetie, let me see your Bobo. Sweetie, where's your Bobo? Sweetie, where's the Bobo? Where's your Bobo? Get your toy. Get your toy. Is that your toy or Jordan's toy? Are you going to fight for it? Huh? Get the Bobo. Let's get the Bobo. Let's get the Bobo. Okay. Okay, here's a little Bobo and a big Bobo. See? Yeah, let me see him on camera here. Sweetie, which one do you want? The big one? Or the little one? You want the little Bobo? You want the little one? Get it. Uh-oh! Careful, Lee! He's gonna get it! Get it, Lee! Get the Bobo! Get the Bobo! Give me that. Oh! Sweetie, what you got? What you got, Wee? You got Jordy's Bobo? You got Jordy's Bobo? Jordy, I don't think she's gonna give it to you. What's the matter, Jor? Wee, give me that. Give me your Bobo. I'm gonna get it. I'm gonna get the Bobo. Give me that Bobo. Look what I got. Ooh. Ooh. Whoa. It's hard to do through the camera. Whoa. Jordy, get the Bobo. Get the Bobo, Jordy. Ready? Alright, ready? Who's gonna get it? Get it. I will be free. Are we done? You wanna tell Mom? Say, Mom, Jordan took the Bobo. It's over there. Bye, sweet. You leaving? Okay, bye.